How to see your Gmail password in mobile. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to do so, tap Open your phone setting. From the list of options in your setting, you need to scroll down until you see the option of Google. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Select on the option of Security. In here, you have to scroll down until you find Password Manager and tap on Manage Password. If you have saved your password of your Gmail, you will see the password right here. You can easily copy it and paste to log in into your Gmail. However, as a Gmail is already connected to your Google account, you may even not have to save a password. If you wish to change your Google password, you can tap on the password option at the top. Then firstly, to verify yourself, enter your password and tap on Next. After which, you'll get the chance to create a new password for your account. And that will also be the password for your Gmail and all the application that is automatically connected to your Google account. It's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.